One of the best features of Access is how easily it can work with other programs, like Excel. Let's take a look at how Access can quickly import existing data from an Excel workbook. Here we have an Excel file with data about our employees. We'd like to import this data into the Employees table of our database. The first step is to create fields in our Employees table. In this example, we've already done that. It's important that the field names in Access match up exactly with the column headings in Excel. You'll notice that our Excel file doesn't have a column for employee ID. Since this is an auto number field, Access will automatically assign ID numbers for us. To import the data, we'll need to go to the External Data tab of the ribbon. In the Import and Link group, click on Excel. This first page asks us what file we'd like to import. We can navigate to our spreadsheet by clicking Browse. Next, we choose how we want to import the data. This first option will import the spreadsheet into a new Access table. The second option adds the data to an existing Access table. The third option creates a link between the Access table and the Excel workbook. If we choose this option, Access will show whatever data is currently in the Excel file. If the Excel file changes, those changes will automatically show up in Access. Since we have a table already made, we'll choose to append a copy of the records to the Employees table. This page shows us that Access has already figured out that the first row of our spreadsheet matches the field names of our Access table. It also gives us a preview of how the data will look in Access. It's a good idea to double-check and make sure everything looks okay before moving on. From here, all we have to do is click Finish. If we have other spreadsheets to import, we can save the steps we just took to make importing them faster. Since we only have one spreadsheet, we'll just click Close. Now if we open the Employees table, we can see that our data has been imported. Access has also given each record an ID number in the primary key field. We've just learned how to import an Excel workbook into Access. This is especially useful if you've been keeping data in Excel and want to make the switch from a spreadsheet to a relational database.